The court marches on, holidays, no holidays, pandemic, no pandemic. The beat goes on. Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. On behalf of a client, my office had to file an emergency order to show cause. That is a document where you ask a judge for interim temporary relief. And the application is something like, Judge, there's this presently existing situation. These conditions exist. But for your help, my client will be irreparably harmed, damaged. Please take this step on a temporary basis. Prevent the other side from taking this bad conduct, taking actions detrimental to my client. And please stop it, freeze it in time, and give us an opportunity to address the issue on the merits. So we, in fact, today's Friday before the Labor Day holiday, and we filed an emergency order to show cause yesterday. With the advent of e-filing, we were able to do it. The matter went before a judge today, and the judge did in fact sign this order to show cause, granting temporary relief. Freezing things in place, right? So that's the temporary relief. Now, the only drawback to this was that the order to show cause was signed today, and we got a court date mid-September, but we had to serve means physically get the paperwork, the signed order to show cause, into the hands of the other side. We had to serve electronically and serve prior to Monday. Tomorrow's Saturday, then there's a Sunday, then there's Labor Day. So we had to get the all the documentations into overnight mail for overnight Saturday delivery. So it was accomplished, but a little more time would have been okay. Cuts both ways. We need the immediate cessation, the stopping of this bad conduct, or this probable action that we think might take place, right? You can imagine, I don't want to give you the facts, but you can imagine the situation. Someone's going to sell a house or return a car or not allow something to happen, right? So it's one of those scenarios, something like that. So we actually need the other person to know right away. So we were going to give really quick notice anyway, but it got done. It was filed. The judge read our papers on a temporary basis, at least, is helping us out and helping the case out and the situation out, really, right? Because say in the instance, if you did, across the board in any area of legal practice, it's not an eviction case, but say you pushed someone out, right? How do you get them back in? It's not that easy. Or if you had to sell a building or a property and it was sold to a bona fide third party, how do you get the house back from that third party if there was some controversy related to the house? So in either example I just gave, don't push someone out, or don't permit the house to be sold, or the building, the property to be sold, so that an underlying issue can be looked at by the eye of the court and resolved. If you need me, if you need my office, I'm asking you, contact us. We can help you. FrankBrunoLaw.com. Stay safe and be well.